pretty excited to announce that we just recently finished renovations of the veterinary hospital here at the Greenville Zoo. With part of our preventative medicine program, when animals have exams here at the veterinary hospital, we're able to do digital x-rays, be able to check their teeth, do dentistries, and we do keep most of them under anesthesia, which is the safest thing for us and for them. All of our animals here at the Greenville Zoo are part of a preventative medicine program. So they do get exams and blood work and radiographs, usually every year. We also sometimes have the need to do specialty procedures on some of our animals, like one of our lions who needed a root canal a few years ago. So expanding our treatment room gave us a little bit more room to be able to do some specialty procedures and have more specialists in the hospital if needed. So with the hospital renovation, this was part of our commitment at the Greenville Zoo to be able to provide the gold standard of care for all the animals that we have in our collection.